Workspace, where we'll explore the future of technology together.
Good morning, all the students. Today I would like to introduce the Gemini AI in Google Slide. Please open your Google Slide. On the right side of your Google Slide, there shows Gemini. Here is Gemini in your Google Slide. Click Create a Slide and enter a prompt here. Now we try to create a prompt with electric vehicle. Gemini is creating the slide. Click Insert. Slide create by the Gemini will be insert into your Google Slide. After this, we try to add another slide about advantages of electric vehicle. We can generate image in the place allocated to. Generate image about electric vehicle again. Thank you, my dear students. It's your turn to try out your Google Slide. To take note in Google Meet. On the top right corner, there are the purple sign of Take Note pen and Gemini. Click the Take Note pen. The screen about Gemini is taking notes appeared. Under the Gemini is talking note, there are summary so far. Summary so far will update from time to time. At the end of Google Meet, the notes will appear as meeting notes in Google Drive. Let's check up your Meet notes in My Drive. At the end of Google Meet, the notes will appear as Google Doc in Meeting Recording folder in My Drive. Let's check your Google Doc in My Drive. Inside the meeting started the 13th of October 2025 15:15 notes by Gemini. There are summary, details and suggested next steps. In the details, there are meeting preparation and roles, sustainable love project, spinning wheel of fortune project and sports and games report. Lastly, notes by Gemini provide suggested next steps for your consideration. There also have transcript in Google Doc. TQ Google Gemini.
Gemini AI.